Hello, and welcome to this guide for deleting all previously programmed controls and sensors from a Somfy Wirefree RTS motor. These instructions are suitable for all of the Somfy RTS motors listed here. If you need to remove all previously programmed controls and sensors from a Wirefree RTS motor, the process is very simple. First, locate the programming button on the motor. On most models, you can find it in a small indentation on the motor head. On some earlier models, the programming button is a raised button you can easily press with your finger. Use a paperclip or narrow pointed tool to press and hold the programming button until the shade jogs 2 times. Be sure to release after 2 jogs, or else you might also erase the end limit settings for the motor. At this point, all previously programmed controls and sensors are erased. Please refer to the Somfy video Add or Delete a Transmitter for instructions on adding a new device to control the motor.